When most people shop for a portable building, they usually focus on one thing first: the size. But once you've picked the size, one of the biggest decisions you'll make is something that's easy to overlook: the doors and windows. Believe it or not, these two features can completely change how your building looks, feels, and functions. Whether you're creating a simple storage shed, a workshop, hobby space, backyard office, or even a cabin, choosing the right combination of doors and windows can make everyday use much more enjoyable. Let's start with the doors. Not every building needs the same kind of entry. If you're mainly storing lawn equipment, a standard walk-through door may be all you need. Stor-Mor offers several walk-through styles, including solid 6-panel doors, along with attractive 6-light and 9-light options that allow natural light to enter the building. For larger equipment, motorcycles, ATVs, or riding mowers, wider, shop-built double doors provide a much larger opening, making it easier to move equipment in and out without squeezing through a narrow doorway. Some of these doors can also be upgraded with transom windows, adding both style and extra daylight. If you're planning to use your building as a garage, Stor-Mor also offers roll-up garage doors, giving you quick, convenient access while maximizing usable space inside the building. Now let's talk about the windows. Windows do far more than simply make a building look attractive. Natural light can completely transform your interior. Instead of relying on artificial light during the day, well-placed windows can completely transform your workspace and to make the building feel larger and more welcoming. Stor-Mor offers several window sizes, including 2x3 and 3x3 single-pane windows, along with larger thermal window options for customers who plan to spend more time inside their building throughout the year. Thermal windows provide additional insulation compared to standard single-pane options, making them a great choice for workshops, offices, hobby spaces, or any building where comfort matters. There are also transom windows, which are installed higher on the wall or above certain door options. These let additional daylight into the building while maintaining valuable wall space for shelving, workbenches, or storage. And if you really want to personalize the look of your building, decorative upgrades like shutters and flower boxes can add plenty of curb appeal without changing the functionality of the structure. One thing people don't realize is that door and window placement matter just as much as the style of building that you choose. Think about how you'll actually use the building. Where will shelving go? Where will your workbench be? Do you want sunlight where you'll be working, or do you need uninterrupted wall space for storage? Planning these details before your building is built can make a huge difference later. The best part is that many Stor-Mor building styles can be customized with different door placements, window arrangements, colors, and upgrades. Using the online 3D builder lets you experiment with different layouts before making a final decision, so you can create a building that's designed around how you'll actually use it. At the end of the day, doors and windows aren't just cosmetic features. They affect how easy your building is to access, how comfortable it feels inside, how much natural light you have, and even the personality of your building itself. So the next time you're designing a portable building, don't just think of the doors and windows as another item on the checklist. Think of them as finishing touches that turn a portable building into a space that's truly built for you. And remember, you get more with Stor-Mor.